Top 10 Best Recipes to Help in Weight Loss. If getting in shape is one of your New Year's resolutions, I'm here to help with these delectable weight loss recipes. Moreover, if you're not sure how to incorporate these calorie-burning foods into your daily routine, start with these dishes. They all include at least one weight loss superfood and can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. 1. BBQ Turkey Burgers. This turkey burger is a delicious way to reduce beef consumption and increase turkey consumption, which is a great source of lean protein and Jillian Michaels' favorite weight loss food. Lean protein helps you stay full for longer, Michaels said this. Amino acids are the building blocks of muscle. 2. Steakhouse Salad. When it comes to weight loss dinners, a juicy steak may be the last thing on your mind, but when portioned properly in a salad, it can be a delicious and full dinner with less than 350 calories per serving. This salad has all of the best aspects of a steakhouse meal: tender meat, fresh spinach, and crispy potatoes. Allow yourself to relax and enjoy yourself without endangering your weight loss efforts. 3. Salmon Noodle Bowl. This 30-minute weight loss dinner offers a variety of nutritional and metabolism-boosting components in a single dish. Salmon and avocado are high in healthy fats, while noodles and vegetables are high in fiber. Asparagus is the hidden hero of this recipe, providing a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A and C, folate, and iron. 4. Cauliflower and mushroom tacos. Do you crave tacos but don't want to stray from your weight loss plan? These cauliflower tacos are a must-try. Because the meat is so tasty, you won't miss it. These cauliflower-based tacos have fewer than 300 calories per serving and can be made in about 25 minutes. They also give us a surge of sharp vegetables, which we all need. 5. Black bean and chicken chilaquiles. This typical Mexican morning recipe containing chicken, queso blanco, and corn tortillas requires only 8 ingredients. It may look sinister, but it's baked rather than fried because it's only 300 calories and 2 grams of saturated fat per serving. What is the most crucial factor for dieters? Black beans are a type of bean. Because of their high protein content, they are another weight loss food. 6. Cioppino. This Italian stew with a lot of seafood has only 275 calories per serving and will keep you full for hours. This stew contains more than half of your daily protein requirements, making it an excellent pescatarian-friendly weight loss recipe. You won't believe you're eating such a nutritious, weight loss-friendly food because it has such a deep flavor. 7. Harissa Shakshuka with spinach and chickpeas. Eggs are well known for their fat-burning properties. Because they're heavy in protein and low in fat, they're ideal for a breakfast for dinner meal like this Mediterranean shakshuka. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to improve gut health, lower inflammation, and boost heart health, making it a winning combination for weight loss and lifespan. 8. Ham, sliced pear, and Swiss sandwich. The Swiss cheese, pear, lean ham, yogurt dill sauce, and pumpernickel bread dominate the taste and textures in this meal. It also has a lot of filling fiber. One sandwich provides around a third of your daily fiber requirements, with the pear alone accounting for 15%. Don't peel the skin. It's where the majority of the fiber is found. If you want a hot dinner, lightly coat the pan with cooking spray. 9. Chicken and mushroom stir-fry. One of my favorite foods is a stir-fry. This is because it allows me to use whatever leftover vegetables I may have on hand. You may also make a stir-fry with a variety of vegetables. Serve this scrumptious chicken and mushroom stir-fry over brown rice. Since I was a child, lemongrass tea has been a favorite of mine. Because of its amazing flavor, I used to adore it. And because the flavor is so fantastic on its own, I always drink it without adding any sweetener. Lemongrass can be found at Asian markets and health food stores. I typically buy a huge quantity of produce at the farmer's market in the summer and freeze it to use throughout the year. Learn how to make lemongrass tea in the comfort of your own home. 10. Simple Avocado Salad. This is one of my favorite salads because it has a simple clean dressing. The smoothness of the avocado hits all of the right notes. You can find the recipe here. To top it off, this fruit salad is absolutely delicious. If you're craving something sweet, make this. If you're looking for something healthy to eat, try this. Thank you for watching.